Is your CM5418 brewing coffee too slowly? Don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, check the grind size. For espresso, the coffee should be ground to a medium consistency, similar to granulated sugar or sea salt. If it's too fine, it can clog the portafilter, slowing the flow. Next, make sure you're using the right amount of coffee. 7 to 9 grams for a single shot, 13 to 15 grams for a double shot. Pack the grounds firmly to the max line for the best extraction. If you suspect the filter is clogged, soak it in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it under running water. After that, your machine should be back to brewing smoothly. That's it! With these steps, your CM5418 should be working perfectly again.